Hello everyone, I'm Cubastic. You all know that I love solving puzzles of all kinds. And in this video I'm going to show you a really cool puzzle. It's cool because of its idea, but I'm talking about it in the future tense because I don't have this puzzle yet. But as you know, my second hobby is 3D printing, and that's why I decided to combine them today. Like I did it many times before, and print a new puzzle with my 3D printer. Let's start. I found this puzzle on the internet and it looks very simple. But firstly, I was attracted because of its idea. It's made of only a few elements, this is a black frame, and numbers from 1 to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and our goal is to put all these numbers together like this. I'm not picking because I don't want to know the solution. I understand that the task will not be easy, because it will be necessary to put each number in its own position in the right order to fully fill this frame. If you remember, in one of the previous videos I printed out this puzzle. It was also not very complicated, but not the difficulty of the puzzle attracts me in this case, but a process of creating it. Because printing a puzzle with your own 3D printer is something fascinating. I really hope that you like the puzzle making process, so please just hit the like button under this video and we will get started. For this project I choose two colors of plastic which I think will look nice together. It's brown and beige or creamy, I don't know what to call it right. So we're going to have a puzzle in a coffee colors, but guys, I can't let you go without the nicest thing, a new reel. A truly anti-stress thing. Well, the printing has begun, and the most important thing is, as always, the first layer. How the printer makes the first layer will determine how the model will look in the future. As you can see, everything is fine for this moment. So, the printing has begun, the first layer suits perfectly, it's gonna take 2 or 3 hours to complete the model and everything looks good. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. The more of us are subscribed, the more possible that this video will be seen by a huge number of people. I know that you like my content. If you like it, hit the like button, write a comment and don't miss my videos even though YouTube is just hiding them from you. Go to the channel. Look how many videos you have missed, there are so many. I just need you to do me a favor. I need high activity right now on my channel. Likes, comments, subscriptions, bells, reposts, as much as possible on any video, particularly under this one, so that my channel can come back to life and you and I can start to get back into the trends and take our rightful place there instead of some childish content. Thank you all so much for supporting me. I know we're a gang, a team. That's why people, you making the activity, I'm making the content. Thank you. Well, it's been like 3 hours, right about that. And right now the best part is to take a ready-made model of the desk. As you know, the desk warms to a fairly high temperature during the printing. In this case it was about 70 degrees centigrade. Now it's absolutely cold, that should be easy to take off the model. It didn't even click in any way, so you see when the desk cools, the model is very easy to get away from the desk. So this is the basis for our puzzle. Now we have to print the second part, the numbers. The printing is over. The second and the last for this project. The numbers are great, the only thing that 0 looks weird, but never mind, that's the creator's idea. Okay, let's take him off. Awesome. My favorite moment. The job is done and it looks like this. I love the way it's printed and I like the colors I picked. It's definitely one of the most beautiful and quality puzzles I've made with 3D printer. Now here's the most interesting part. We have to solve this puzzle and I've already set the timer. Before we start, you can write in the comments how fast you think I can solve it. We have a frame. We have 10 elements in different sizes, different shapes. These are our numbers. Our task is to put everything in the limits of this square. Let's go! Can we do anything at all? As I understand, we can put them on any side. Vertically, horizontally, and we can turn a number like this. Yeah, well, for now I'm just doing random things. So I'm doing something right. Okay, well, I'm proceeding quite successfully. Wouldn't that be as hard as it looks? Okay, well, there's a mistake here. Something wrong. Yeah, we can put a 4 like this. Okay, it's not that easy. I guess we shouldn't have any space left at all. Let us start from 0, because it's the only weird shape we have. Only a 0 has this cut. We can put only 2 digits here. It's a 7, like this, or 1, like this. We can't do anything else here. Let's just start with that for now. So, for the numbers that have closed edges, like the 8, it's closed on all sides. And 9 or 6, they are also closed on one side. I know that by this side, by this edge, it can't stand sideways. And the 3 can't be like this, because there's gotta be some kind of closing bar on either side. So we have to put them as close to the center as possible by shifting the open areas like this. So how we can handle that kind of situation, which is also going to be quite frequent? Or maybe the 7 is the one we have here. It's either 1, but we have to remember that we have to use one of these 2 digits for 0. Okay. And that's how we get the space, it shouldn't be there. So far we're doing really well, and this is an attempt that I find very revealing, because now I see a clear picture how the numbers should be arranged. We have to get exactly 4 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, equally distant from each other in this row, and 5 squares in this row. The 4 doesn't fit anymore, because we see an empty space like this that shouldn't exist. I'm starting to understand how this puzzle works, what it wants me to do. That's good. I love that this puzzle is pretty difficult, although it seems to have a lot of different solutions. For some reason I haven't come to any of them yet. But I think it's close, and I love the fact that it's a puzzle with its own colors and with this shape of numbers. It's kind of a retro style thing. Very cool. I love this puzzle. I really like it. It's definitely the best thing I've ever made with a 3D printer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exactly half of the digits I put in the same row. Phew, and there's still half of them. Well, interesting, can I do it? Oh, we can put them only upright like this, right? Damn. No, that's cool, that's awesome, this puzzle is very difficult. Whoa, have I solved it? Yeah. Yes! 35 minutes, rounded it up 34.09. Damn, people, you should see my emotions now. Unfortunately the camera's not pointing at my face now, but guys, this is so exciting. I haven't felt so emotional about solving a puzzle for such a long time. Okay, it looks quite simple, but for half an hour I had to solve it to come to the right decision. And I'm sure it's not the last one, it's not the only one, there's a lot of them here, and this puzzle will be interesting for the second, third and fourth time. I'm so excited about this puzzle. Seriously, I'm not overacting, it looks cool and the colors are perfect, and the way it's so awesome, it's a pleasure even to touch it. But it's also very interesting to solve. It's quite complicated, but looks very simple. But the most important thing is that I made it myself, and this morning this puzzle wasn't even there. You know, I spent all day with it. I started printing it in the morning and now it's late night and I've solved it. And I haven't wasted the day. People, puzzles probably the most exciting thing that has ever happened to me. And I think 3D printing is a form of arts. Well, if you like this puzzle as much as I do, if you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, I'm waiting for you among my followers, and don't forget to watch my past videos you might have missed. Thank you so much for watching, thank you for being with me. This was Cubastic, bye everyone and have a good time, see you soon. I'm confused. I think we should print more of this.
Why?
To give it to people, it's awesome.